Hey everybody, it's Josh. I just wanted to hop on here and show you what I've been working on to give you the lay of the land. This is my Kali laptop. I remote view into my Dell PowerEdge server. It's a Dell R730 XD with 128 gigs of RAM, 28 cores, and like 4 terabytes of storage. I just upgraded from a single Tesla P40 to the Tesla V100. I have a second V100, which will give me 64 gigs of VRAM, but I'm waiting on the power cord to plug that in and add it to the system. Um, as you can see, it tracks all the CPU usage, the GPU usage, what model I have loaded, the RAM utilization is live. My server hosts my website and it tracks all that. It also tracks all of the network traffic. So anytime somebody's on it, I see everything. And all this you see is the AI prediction to play Tetris. My very first machine learning project was teaching an AI bot how to play Tetris. The highest it got was 4,911,000 points. But the reason my server's working so hard is I have this genetic programming model I've been working on. Genetic programming is basically Darwin for math. And what I did is I built a pool of price action trading signals or variables, things to look at the charts. And this is 9 different islands exploring each one of those variables and coming up with profitable solutions to trade it. This down here is the each generation for the islands. As you can see, the nodes are different, which means it's finding different paths to trade the whole thing. I don't need any of this. Once this gets done, it's going to fine tune the best ones in an optimization stage. But that's not why I'm creating this video. So I've been using AI for a long time now, and my biggest problem with all of them is Claude, Hermes, Codex. All of them are the same when it comes to the little guy using local hardware. The Tesla V100 is still an older unit, but it does have 32 gigs of RAM, and it's far better than the Tesla P40 I had in there. But still, Hermes and Claude and Codex, they jam so much information into the model that it just overloads the local user. So I built Claudia to be just for the local small agent. It's just my own custom agentic framework that works really well on the local small setup. With this one GP, with both GPUs in the server, I'm at about 1,500 bucks, which isn't bad at all. But Claudia lives here on my server, and then I make all the changes here on the server. Always approve. But I'm getting 90, 100 tokens a second on average with the Tesla V100 versus the 50 to 60 tokens a second with the single Tesla P40. The power cord should be here any day, and when it's in, like I said earlier, I'll have 64 gigs of VRAM, and I'm going to use that to host my like local transcription model so I can quit typing like a basic bitch and just speak to my computer, and then as soon as you let go of the space bar, it does it. Let me see if I can run that. I don't know the command. I lost. But anyways, so I update and push the files to GitHub, and then I can come over here to my Kali desktop and use it and test it and make sure everything's good to go. But doing it, I can just push updates to GitHub, and then any instance I have Claudia installed on, I just run Claudia update, and as you can see, it updates it. This model also supports vision. And as you can see, it's just working away. And it got it right. But as you can see, I don't know why I say that a lot, but you'll get used to it. It is just fast. One 107 tokens a second. Now that it's working pretty good, I need to get into the context window. When I get the second GPU, I'll be able to expand the context window to much, much, much higher. And that will allow me to preload more information so that the model knows more every time it runs. But I think that's going to wrap it up. I've showed you everything I wanted to show you. If you don't have a server, you need one. I will create another video, update video, once I get the second Tesla GPU installed. And by then I should have the local transcription and a bunch of other stuff up and running. But thanks for watching.